Hi guys, my name is Dion Dirk from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're showcasing a single Golden Gate 40 by 81 with frost glass right hand in swing today. This door is in oil rub bronze. It does come in different colors if you choose to. This door that we're featuring today has frost glass. It does come in different glasses if you like to choose different options. A screen is definitely optional. You can go ahead and custom order a door with a screen in it. This door has an amazing kick plate with some design work in it. Love the scroll work. So the design have a mixture of some scroll work, some bars, and some knuckles. It's a really classy door. This door also comes in a double flat. It comes in a double arch and a single arch, and we can definitely make this into a full arch if needed. You can also eliminate a kick plate if you like on a custom door, if you like, or you can add more stuff, whatever you like on a custom way. Now we're going to go around on the back side and show you guys some features in the back. So we're on the back of the door. The Golden Gate offers a operable glass. Untwist the knobs. Give it a little flick. You got an operable glass. Again, optional screen is available if you like, and you can go ahead and add that as a custom order, and you'll have a screen so you can keep the photos out. Hey guys, thank you for watching our showcase for our Golden Gate today. If you have any questions, please contact us. Our email address is info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysirondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next story.